Will your Corvette have these issues? Do you want an awesome Corvette that looks just like this one? Well, here is your opportunity. This giveaway is giving away a 2024 Corvette Z06 3LZ plus $30,000 in cash. Rev up your dreams, experience the thrill, the ultimate performance, and shift yourself into gear to buy yourself some tickets tonight. Howdy folks, here is a Pittsburgh Benches Grand Prix Association giveaway. Not just any giveaway, we have a 2024 Corvette Z06 convertible with the Z07 package plus $30,000. With this giveaway expiring on September the 30th, you do not want to miss out on this giveaway. This giveaway ends tonight. With you being a Brinkofspeed 252 member, viewer, and subscriber of this channel, you get 50% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. You better act fast. Again, this giveaway ends tonight, so get your tickets right now, because I want you to be the winner of this 2024 Corvette Z06 convertible with the Z07 package and $30,000. And when I'm saying the convertible is a very desired car, I want you to be the winner of this vehicle. Again, you get 50% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. So while you're at it, go ahead and get yourself some tickets for this Z06 convertible. The way to get your tickets before this giveaway runs out is by clicking the link down in my description or clicking the link down in my pinned comment section below. Once you have clicked on the link, go to the top and click Donate Now to enter. Once you click Donate Now to enter, you will see at the left, CGarner2X. Yes, CGarner2X. That's your code that will get you 50% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. Then you can click the amount you would like to purchase, $100, $200, $350, $500, $1,000, or $2,000. Then you go to the right, put in whatever information that works best for you, and then you see that continue button, click that, and you just purchased your tickets to enter the drawing for the brand new 2024 Corvette Z06. I was told the secret is to buy $500 tickets 4 days in a row, and that was the secret to the last giveaway winner winning his 2024 Z06 convertible plus $30,000, and I've been a happy man ever since. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Chevrolet Corvette and its known issues. Chevrolet/GM could possibly face lawsuits with these known issues. Every Corvette model has been affected. Stay tuned. General Motors technician, according to the customer, said it sounds like a spun bearing. General Motors have already put this guy's replacement engine on order and said he already has some in stock. That is interesting that General Motors just have motors sitting around in stock for things like this. In this next clip, I will show you what exactly this motor sounds like, so stay tuned for this tune. No pun intended. Here's another issue that is known with the Corvette. This gentleman said he picked up his Corvette on a Friday, and now all kinds of issues, including service transmission, and his car won't start, and he only drove it twice. Now, I apologize for all the upright photos that are in this video, as that's how the owner sent me the pictures. But if you're planning to own a Corvette or buy one in the future, you definitely want to watch this video to its entirety. This gentleman picked up a brand new Corvette Z06 from the museum, and he was super excited with his family. He drove his car 15 miles from the museum before the check engine light came on, and the car would not go into gears 1, 3, and 5. He took it right back to the factory, which is a smart thing to do. They had it for 4 hours. He drove it 6 more miles, and the same issues occurred. He got to a red light to only the car stopped in second gear, and he heard this odd clunking sound. He goes on to say that a guy from the museum said they had a few Z06s that came through there that was also finicky with check engine lights, and decided to proceed to say this is not a good idea to take this car home, and possibly his car is still sitting there to this day. What will you do in this matter? Yep, you have it. And another issue. This gentleman says it appears to be a tack or a nail that is coming through the carpet from the body of the car. Any ideas what it could possibly be? This gentleman said here's a new update on his car from the dealership. The crank has gone bad. The fluid was due to the system burping. The verdict is a new engine. It went from being a TSB on a rear main seal being replaced a month ago from now needing a whole new engine.
Chevrolet owners, do you have a 2019 or newer model? Did you know you could get $59,950 or more if your Chevrolet has issues? You are legally owed money for transmission slipping, engine problems, electrical issues, brake system failures, steering problems, or any other issues. Check now to see if you qualify.
So we are halfway through this video and I have a lot more issues to get to. But what I wanted to say is the reason why I'm making this video, because although I own a Corvette and I love Chevrolet, we still have to keep them accountable to make great cars because these prices on the Corvettes are pretty high. So with that high price, we expect reliable vehicles. So with that being said, this is the reason why this video has been made, to keep General Motors accountable for the vehicles they are producing for us as consumers to drive them and have a reliability with them. Now, this current vehicle doesn't have any issues that I know of, but it is a 2024 Corvette Z06 3LZ convertible with only 2 miles on it. They're wanting to take $12K off the MSRP with Z07 package, but as you see, it has no warranty because this car was sold before the 6-month mark that Chevrolet gave consumers to not sell the car so you don't lose your warranty. So this is up to your discretion if you decide to have any inquiries on this car, but this car comes with no warranty. Pretty interesting since I'm making a video with cars with issues. We have a 2024 hardtop converter with 1,400 miles on it. The battery was low and the vehicle wouldn't crank. After a jump start, the check engine light came on and the transmission message came on as well that says speed is limited to 2 miles per hour. Also, the car will not shift in the first gear. They disconnected the negative battery terminal and waited 20 minutes, which didn't work. Anybody have any ideas or any known issues with this problem?
Here's another issue that is known with the Corvette.
This gentleman just kept it simple, and his question was, how long is the wait for a brand new transmission for his Corvette Z06? Thanks in advance. They said, quick question. Recently purchased a new Z06 and I noticed it shifts pretty hard from 2 to 3. The car would literally lose traction. He said this happens on a medium acceleration and manually shifting it. He said if you let the car shift on its own, it's fine. No other gear when shifting manually has experienced this. This Corvette owner says the radiator fans used to always run for a while after the drive. Since he has reached the break-in period, they no longer do that. Is that normal? I will say anytime I've driven my Z06 or my Stingray back in the day, my radiator fans will come on every time. What's your thoughts? Now here is a Z06 update after this person had a replaced engine. Saturday morning, cold start. CEL started flashing. Then it went away. He drove it normally all day. Sunday morning, cold start, the CEL started flashing again. Went away. In the first acceleration, the CEL comes on and stays on. The CEL stays on all day. When he got back home to check the codes, they all popped up again. Now for a lot of you, CEL means check engine light. The gentleman stated with all these issues, he is leaning towards doing a buyback. This gentleman mentioned a lot of his posts, so I'm going to sum it up. He was driving this car, brand spanking new, hardly any miles on it on a scenic route, and his car just messed up. He now knows he have a blown transmission and a blown engine, and now considering doing a buyback because he doesn't have dealerships in his area that are Corvette technicians, Corvette certified technicians at that are capable of working on his car. Now this picture came with no description at all, but it looks like there's either a transmission issue in this Stingray or a messed up engine in this Stingray. Who knows? But we definitely can see it's on a tow truck. My question is it being towed properly? What's your guys' thoughts? I want to leave this video with a happy thought. This customer just turned 100,000 miles, trouble-free miles on their 2021 C8 Corvette. What a great car. Here's to the next 100K miles. So, there are a lot of Corvettes out there that do not come with any issues and that are reliable, and I can speak for itself. I have owned a C8 Stingray 2020, C8 Stingray 2023, and now a 2023 Corvette Z06, and the only issue I had was chipping paint around the headlight. Outside of that, the car has absolutely been reliable for me as well. So I just wanted to shed some light on these cars are still great. I still love owning mine. I still love having car meetups with friends and just hearing that sound of that 5.5 liter V8 flat crank and also hearing the sound of my friend's Stingray Corvettes. But again, this video is made to make General Motors still accountable for a lot of issues happening with the C8 Corvette. Well, guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and hit that subscribe button anywhere on your phone screen or tablet. Hit that bell notification so you get an alert anytime one of my videos comes out. And well, we're out of here.